Alright guys, trying to waste some time right now. Oh, what are those little scooters? They got a club or something? They're electric? Oh, Saturday market. It's back open again. I might just wander along up in there. Wonder if they'll let me turn up here. Oh yeah, they do. I see a car going that way. Oh, everybody's stopping right here. Everybody's trying to go that way. Including me. I actually came down here to see it. I was going to go all the way downtown to see if I could see some bikes, but I've got this thing going on. Yeah, I haven't been down here forever because COVID. This thing was always shut down. If I can find a place to park.